Hi guys, it's Sierra Rena. I am a stylist, designer, and creator, and today I am back with Revolve, styling 5 summer statement looks. When it comes to styling myself in the summer, I love wearing color. My top is from Helsa. This beautiful satin blue is just such a statement color. And then I'm obviously mixing it with these really pretty leather capri shorts from AFRM and this bra from Catsuit label and the shoes from Paris, Texas. If you can see, I also love playing with primary colors. I think it's so fun. I also love mixing textures. So with my top being satin and my pants being leather, I think it's so fun just to add some depth to your outfit and also just to give it some pizzazz. I was just in Paris and I think this outfit would be perfect to wear for like a night out just because the heat. You also have to dress for the weather but also stay chic and nice and sexy. So this is my really cute going out outfit with the girls. This is my second look and I'm wearing this gorgeous, gorgeous dress from the ATTICO. This is definitely for a date night and only a date night. And what I love about it is the lace. The lace is super, super sexy. I feel like this dress is sheer in all the right places. And if you wanna add a little bit of more pop to your outfit, I'm wearing this undergarment from Only Hearts. And it has a blue lining, like a blue lace lining on it. So if you're up close just a little bit, you'll be able to see that I'm playing with yellow, blue, pink, black, and a pop of gold. For this outfit, I'm 100% wearing it on a date night. It's really, really chic, really, really sexy, and men love lace. So why not? Well, I would not be wearing it on a date night. This is my third summer statement look, and for a little bit of an outfit breakdown, my top is from CULTNAKED. The bodysuit under, which is a cute layering moment, is from the ATTICO, and my heels are from FEMME LA. I feel like this outfit is super transitional. You can wear this shopping because you can take off the top. Easy snaps, so you can just take off the top, put the clothes that you want to try on in the fitting room on top of the bodysuit. And then if you gotta go to dinner, if you have to go on a little cute night out, this is still very chic and sexy because you know it's hot outside, we gotta dress for the weather. And the best thing about this outfit and sort of a summer trend right now is styling bras. It's so much fun, and honestly, because I'm layering so much, it's just a little detail that you just might want to be able to pay attention to, because when it comes to details, for me personally, as long as I know it's on my body, I feel good about it. And also, these thong heels. So many girls right now are wearing thong heels, and yeah, this is the outfit. This is my fourth summer statement look, and this is all about a monochromatic look, but you can still play it up, make it really, really cute, and feel yourself. For the bottoms, I'm wearing a Revolve Los Angeles skirt because they have built-in shorts, which is super functional. The top is from Helsa, and these very, very, very pretty platform heels are from the ATTICO. So for this monochromatic look, white is obviously a summer staple. So I feel like I'm definitely modernizing this baby doll shirt because it's super, super big on me, but I feel like you can make it very classy, chic, and feminine. And who doesn't love wearing all white? For this summer look, I am 100% wearing it by the water, to the beach, by the pool. I feel like it's super breathable and also functional because you can also probably throw a bathing suit under this top if you really wanted to. So yeah, this is my look. For the fifth and final summer look, we have a bomb, very, 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 very sexy dress. And this dress is from Revolve Los Angeles, and my shoes are from Paris, Texas. A very beautiful stiletto boot, and it's leather. You know, you're mixing a lot of textures with this mesh, and the really, really pretty silver detailing just pulls it all together. I would definitely wear this outfit for a very special occasion that you might have to attend to on your vacation or whatever you're doing this summer. I love how the silver detailing can just tie into it and just make it pop. It also matches with your accessories. So say if you have a silver bag, you can also mix with gold tones, silver tones. You can play around with your metallics. And the leather in the shoe is so hot. Like, look at that shoe. So hot. And also because it's mesh, you can see what shoe you're wearing under. So you can either do a pop of color. You don't have to do black like I did. You can do pink, you can do neon. You can really play around with it. I would definitely wear this outfit for a special occasion if I'm on vacation or a dinner, whatever the case is. And it's a perfect, perfect dress for the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching me style 5 summer statement outfits. Let me know which one is your favorite outfit because I would really, really love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.